Change your Likee app language. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Likee language easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app. Once you are there, click on those three lines and click on setting, and here you're gonna find language, and so in this place you can change language. You're gonna find all the language you want and you can change all, choose one of them, and like directly they're gonna change their language. Wait for a second, and like you see now I have my app in Arabic. Click again on language, choose English, confirm, and this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.